This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front side view, and this is the right side view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 50 by 80 unit. Then I will proceed to 40 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. Now select the top plane, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle and draw a rectangle of 50 by 80 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 40 unit. Now press OK. After that, let's go back to our sketch again. Okay, in our sketch we can see that we have a extrude cut portion like this one. So for drawing that extrude cut portion, first of all I will draw a horizontal line in the front face, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 15 unit. Then from that horizontal line I will draw an inclined line, then I will dimension it to 10 unit from this point. Then I will close this shape. After that I will extrude cut it to through all. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch. Now select the front plane, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the line from here and draw a line of 15 unit, horizontal line of 15 unit. Then draw an incline line, and after drawing that incline line, dimension this incline line to from this point to this line. The dimension is 10 unit. So dimension it to 10 unit. And if we look back to our sketch, the total distance here is 40 unit. So this distance will be 40 minus 30 unit. So this distance will be 10 unit. Okay, so select the smart dimension tool from here and select this horizontal line and also this parallel horizontal line and dimension this both two line to 10 unit. Now select this full sketch. Now convert into this. So a rectangle has been drawn. Now normal to it again. Now select the trim option. I'm selecting trim option and trim the line that we don't need. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. So selecting the through all both from here. Now press OK. So let's go back to our sketch again. In our sketch, in the top plane, we can see that we have a vertical line here, and this vertical line has a dimension of 10 unit. Then I will draw an incline line, and this incline line has a distance of 35 unit and 30 unit. Then I will extrude it to from the top plane. I will extrude it to 40 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch again. So I am selecting the top plane here. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the line tool from here and draw a line tool of 10 unit. So drawing a line tool of 10 unit. Now draw an angle incline line, and now select the span dimension from here and dimension from this point to this point, dimension it to 30 unit. Again select this point and this horizontal line and dimension it to 35 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. We can see we have drawn the shape, but we need to close the shape. So I am taking the sketch to again normal mode. Now select the line tool from here and joint all the point. Okay, the now it has been a closed shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 unit. So the dimension is the 40 unit. Now press OK. Now again let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see we have an inclined rectangular cut from the top plane, and for drawing that I will draw an incline line, and this incline line from this point to this point has a distance of 20 unit. And if as we can see, this line is along with this line almost, so the distance of this line is 30 unit. So from this point to this point the distance is 30 unit. Okay, so and then I will close the shape, then I will extrude cut to through all. So let's go back to our sketch and now select the top plane from here. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the line tool from here and draw an incline line here. And after drawing that incline line, select the smart dimension tool and select this point and this horizontal line and dimension those two line to 20 unit. Now I can select this line, this point and this vertical line and dimension that to 30 unit. Now select the line tool again. Now close the shape. So I'm selecting this point and closing this all the point. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to blind, and the extrude cut will be in the upper portion. So in the upper portion, now press OK. So as we can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.